Customer validation is a critical step in the product development process where businesses gather feedback from potential customers to ensure that their product or service meets market needs and expectations. It involves testing assumptions, validating hypotheses, and refining the product concept based on real-world feedback. Here's why customer validation is essential and how businesses can effectively execute it. Firstly, customer validation mitigates the risk of building a product that nobody wants. Many startups fail because they develop products based on assumptions rather than actual customer needs. By engaging with potential customers early on, businesses can validate their ideas and identify any necessary adjustments before investing significant time and resources into development. Secondly, customer validation helps businesses understand their target market better. Through interactions with potential customers, businesses can gain insights into their preferences, pain points, and behaviors. This information is invaluable for refining the product to better address customer needs and preferences, ultimately increasing its chances of success in the market. Moreover, customer validation fosters customer engagement and loyalty. By involving customers in the development process, businesses demonstrate that they value their opinions and are committed to delivering solutions that meet their needs. This creates a sense of ownership among customers and increases their willingness to support and advocate for the product once it's launched. Effective customer validation involves several key steps. Identify target customers, define the target market and identify potential customers who fit the profile. This could involve conducting market research, creating buyer personas, and segmenting the target audience based on demographics, behaviors, and preferences. Develop hypotheses. Formulate hypotheses about the problem your product solves, the target market, and the value proposition. These hypotheses will serve as the basis for testing and validation. Create a minimum viable product, MVP. Develop a prototype or MVP that represents the core features and functionalities of the product. The MVP should be simple enough to test with potential customers but comprehensive enough to demonstrate value. Gather feedback. Engage with potential customers through surveys, interviews, focus groups, or beta testing. Ask open-ended questions to uncover insights into their needs, preferences, and pain points related to the product. Iterate and refine. Use the feedback gathered to iterate on the product concept, making adjustments and improvements as necessary. This iterative process ensures that the product evolves to better meet customer needs and preferences. Validate scalability. Assess whether the product can be scaled effectively to meet the demands of a larger customer base without compromising quality or performance. By following these steps, businesses can validate their product concepts, refine their offerings, and increase their chances of success in the market. Customer validation is not a one-time activity but rather an ongoing process that should be integrated into the product development lifecycle to ensure continued relevance and competitiveness.